boom blast video. Let's start again. Hey friends, we are back with another boom blast video again. Hey family, we are back with another boom blast video. That is why I'm in my kitchen. Why? We are doing some cooking. Cooking is my thing. So today we are making kids' favorite smileys. Should we take a place there? No. Okay. So guys, we are making smileys, and the smileys are kids' favorite, and it is all made up of potatoes. So first ingredient we need as potatoes. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. I'm gonna take one more. 1, 2, 3. Potato. I was just joking. 4 are so enough for this. So let's start to the other ingredient. It has chained, and if you don't have breadcrumbs, toast this, put in the toaster, and take a plate. I have this one, and what you do, take the crunch. This is the greatest way ever I had in my mind, and breadcrumbs are going to be ready fast soon. And yeah, so I have a lot of breadcrumbs. So this is the best way, guys. You need to try this. So let's move to the ingredients. Yeah, these are the ingredients. 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, then cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, corn flour, you can use maida as 3 tablespoons, and these are my breadcrumbs. Now boil the potatoes. Are boiled, and I'm gonna peel these off. So let's peel these off and put all the ingredients. Take your boiled potatoes and peel them off. I have just peeled them all 5, and now this part, I love the part too much. Let's show you guys. Take your potatoes. So then put your maida, but not right now. Mash this all. 1, 2, 3, go. I am mixing this all mixture, and it is really good. Now let's mix this all and mash these potatoes. Then we will go to the next part. And put the chili, powder, and then put salt. Then put breadcrumbs. Then put flour maida whole, and then mix this all. We're getting the pepper, so put 1 pinch or 2 pinch. Now mix this all. There's some little chunks that I'm gonna just destroy them with my fork. Mixture is completely mixed. If it's not boiling, put on this much water, and then it will be good. Mixed all properly, and yeah. So this is my mixture. So a little bit better. Oh man, it looks good. And now what I'm gonna do? Put this in freezer. That will be good. Let's put in the freezer. Only 30 minutes, so it will be good. Now it's done. Take the mixture out, and please don't forget to put this. Now also put some corn flour, and put the corn flour also on surface. Now I'm going take this foil out. You can put anything and take this mixture. More mixture. And more mixture. Yeah, you need more. What I'm gonna do is put a cup, small cup, and put the whole. Man, what the sound! And yeah, take this out. Ta-da! And put here. Continue and put all. If you want to make some circles, then you can. I'm just making some kind of tikis. You know what are tikis? Pakistani people know. You can take the spoons or fork. I'm taking a fork, and it will be good. Ta-da! So I can do what I want to do is this, and ta-da! I am a great cooker. Cooker? What is that? I don't know. I just said that. So, continue with all. What you need to do is make sure that it is circle and dig it into the cornstarch. You can say. Let me show you. So these are there, and there is the oil cooking and all the stuff. Please low flame. Take your help from your sister, brother, or mama. Almost done. So yummy! I'm gonna eat it with the ketchup. And my sister, it's too crunchy. Let me give you a sound. You know, joking. Yum! It's so crispy. This is for the video. I wanna say you bye bye. Like, subscribe, share, and comment.